My name is Eliza. I work at Chart Air in Darwin, and I'm a newly licensed avionics licensed engineer. I was always interested in fixing things, but I wasn't really into cars or anything like that, and I thought something that would be cool would be aeroplanes, so I sort of ran with that. And then I'd started doing some of the diploma subjects just in Brisbane when I was living there. Then when I moved to Darwin, I walked into this hangar actually and asked for a job. The best thing about the job definitely is that no 2 days are the same. I really like not knowing what I'm coming into. I do like to be organised, but it's a bit more exciting knowing that things will just show up, defects pop up, and you're always thinking, you're always learning something new. And I think that's what I enjoy the most about the job. We have a base down in Katherine, but we also fly all over the Northern Territory. So sometimes, unfortunately, the planes do break down or we have an issue at one base, so we have to send engineers out there. So today I went to Katherine for the day to fix the HF wire antenna, which has just come detached from the aircraft. So I spent most of the morning trying to put that back together and then hopped on the plane back to Darwin. I love when we get to just sort of jump in the plane and in the morning they'll be like, all right, well, you've got to go here today and go fix this. So I'm not from Darwin, I'm not from the Northern Territory, so I've only been here a couple of years. So any chance I get for a scenic flight, I'm like, yep, I'll go. So and now that I have my license, I'm allowed to go on my own, and so that's been good too. So I'm more eligible to go on the flights. So I think my favorite task at the moment would definitely be doing bush trips, going out to Tiwi, Katherine, or the islands, just seeing a bit more and getting a bit more experience. And then definitely the avionics install is something I'm very new to, but I'm looking forward to doing more of that in the future. When I came here, I sort of didn't realise that I was the only female until they had said that they had never had a female apprentice before. So I sort of thought, well, all right, well, happy to be the first one. But yeah, everyone just treats me the same as they would another apprentice or another staff member, and maybe look after me a little bit more, which is nice. Any advice that I could give to other females would be definitely, if you think you might be interested, try and find other females in the industry to talk to. There's definitely more avenues now to find other women that are in the job. And then also work placements. You can literally walk into a company and say, look, I think I might be interested in this career. Is there any chance I could do a week or two on the tools being supervised by someone just so I can get a feel for the jobs? Our most recent apprentice, because she came in and did work placement twice with us, and then she decided that this is what she wanted to do. So I just think talk to as many people as you can, get a bit of an idea of the industry, and it is what you're interested in. I wouldn't let anything hold you back. Just go for it because it's a great industry to be in, and we need more women.